I'll show you how I can join the Blox Fruit Discord server. It's very easy. If you want to join the official one, just go to the search bar on your browser here. Tap on Blox Fruits Discord. Once you go to Blox Fruit Discord, you're going to go and search it up. On here, you'll see that there's going to be the official one right here. This is the official community. Just tap on this one, on the most upper one. After that, you'll be put into an invite server like this. You can see this is the server, accepted to join. You can just tap on accept invite, and then it'll say accepting invite. I'm going to tap on continue to Discord here. Now on continue to Discord, it'll be put me into the Discord server here. And now I have a Blox Fruit Discord server right here. Read all of the rules, and then you can go ahead. You can see this all the rules here. You need to read all of it. After that, now you will be able to go to the Blox Fruit Discord server. You do need to do a couple of verification, I think. Yeah, there's a couple of verification here that you will need to do before you can access the whole server. But just do the verification, read the rules, read the announcements, make sure you do all of the rules here. After that, that's it. Now you should be able to access the server.